Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between the iOS public beta and developer beta. And yeah, it works both ways. Alright, first of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then go ahead and tap on Software Update. Right here on this screen, you're going to see the Beta Updates option. Tap on that. Now, as you can see, I'm currently running the iOS 26 public beta, but if I want to switch to the developer beta, it's super easy. Just tap on Beta Updates again and select iOS 26 Developer Beta from the list. On your device, the options might look a little different, but you'll still be able to switch between public and developer. Once you've selected the one you want, go back to the Software Update screen. Wait a few seconds, and if a new update is available, you'll see it pop up. Right here, I'm seeing iOS 26 Beta 5 available for developers. Wow, super simple, right? One thing to keep in mind, this method is best for your secondary device. I wouldn't recommend doing this on your main or daily driver unless you're okay with a few bugs here and there. So yeah, that's how you switch from public beta to developer beta. And if you want to go from developer back to public, just follow the same steps and choose the other option. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video. Want to see more iOS 26 tips and beta tricks? Hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.